Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Xbox user looking to update your email on your account, especially with the 2025 updates, you're in the right place. Changing your email is a simple process that helps keep your account secure and up to date, whether you're switching providers or just refreshing your info. In this video, we'll walk through it step by step, so you can do it in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xbox account. You can do this on the Xbox console, the Xbox app on your phone, or through the Microsoft website. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. On the console, go to the Profile and System tab, then select Settings and choose Account. If you're on the website, log in at account.microsoft.com and click on your profile picture. Next, look for the Your Info or Email and Accounts section. This is where you'll find the option to manage your email address. Click on it, and you should see your current email listed. Now, select the Edit or Change Email button. It might say something similar depending on the interface updates for 2025. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Xbox will probably send a verification code to that new email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you get the code, enter it back into the Xbox prompt to confirm. This step is crucial for security, so don't skip it. After verification, review any changes and hit Save or Confirm. Your account should now be updated with the new email. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that your new email isn't already in use or that you're using a supported provider. Microsoft might have some restrictions, so it's always good to read the on-screen tips. And there you have it. Your Xbox email is changed and ready for 2025. This quick update can help protect your account and make logging in easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.